Me nay nay. Wet, watch me nay nay. See fireworks. This is like say hello, Sabi. Lena just can't be bothered. Look at you. Yeah, we have 4 o'clock. Look at her. She's about to let go. She's about to let go.
Fun fighter.
That's funny.
What song is it, Lena?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
She's just funny.
Uh-oh. Somebody's getting jelly. With only fat asses eating cannolis.
Sorry, not sorry. I'll pay for it in 2 weeks.
Spin her around, Sabi. Okay, so how are you feeling?
What?
What makes this day special? Don't.
Just because it's a first, it's a 4th of July, it's the fireworks for this time.
Well, it's a first for who? For Carter. So let's see, who's taking bets that she's gonna even stay up till the fireworks go off?
I think I'm gonna fall asleep first, and then she'll go down after me. So,
No, she won't. She'll wake. She'll try to wake you up. She'll whine and say, "Crap, my daddy, wake up!"
Whoa.
Blah.
You wanna say hello to YouTube Eddie? Uncle Eddie?
Hello.
that's not easy to lead up.
This is my big bro.
And he's very funny.
Let's see if they see the resemblance. Resemblance? Yay or nay?
Oh, they ruined both your lives.
What?
I did the funny ears when you're doing the video.
A lot of people probably think I'm the younger brother. But I do
Well, you don't look like it when you stand up. You definitely look older than me.
You can see how tall I am.
The whole camera just had to change. I don't know how you're so limber and do that. I can't even get you in the whole shot.
Show them I can do it. Oh no. I dare you. Oh no. I don't dare you.
I'll do for sitting down too.
He's the Matrix. What's his name? Neo? Neo in the Matrix. You need like superhero music behind it.
How annoying you with it. It's right on my day, annoying you more.
My job.
It brightens my day to annoy you more.
That's not our job to give each other dancing. No, I annoy you right now by spraying this all over.
Woo, shake it. Shake it. Yeah, she like to shake it.
Hey! You changed it.
Yeah, the song changed.
Oh, wait, I know this. So I'm not doing the dance though.
Must be there.
How's it
Please
go?
don't rain.
How's it go?
What with Carter?
Right here. How come Cardi B's not doing it?
Haha, there you go.
Can you take it easy?
No.
Get the bubbles to her.
I am. Silva.
Yeah.
Mama said make love here. They're going towards you.
It's fine.
What's up? Who's known about that?
That's not what do that.
This is the way that mommy rides, mommy rides, mommy rides. This is the way that mommy rides, mommy rides a horse. This is the way Delina rides, Lena rides, Lena rides. This is the way Delina rides. This is the way the Carter rides, Carter rides, Carter rides. This is the way the Carter rides, Carter rides a horse.
Yay, again. Again.
This is the way that mommy rides, mommy rides, mommy rides. This is the way mommy rides, mommy rides a horse. This is the way Delina rides, Lena rides, Lena rides. This is the way Delina rides. This is the way the Carter rides, Carter rides.
He's such a cutie. Ooh, that's good backlight. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. What is that?
Oh, here we go.
Turn her this way. This way. Yay! Clap, clap, clappy! Such a good girl.
Did it!